Memo akwaba de bagency and pages so meeting at the adwa searching. Na Ghana celebrities bebre omo HS omo Ghana free na efrisia pa. Omo HS say uba be famous e wo Ghana ha nya na Ghana free ya na ebe ma no wa famous. Utwa sini na se uba be star. Yen ye beto sini ya hwe ansan wa star. Woyɛ musician na ɛyɛ ne betie wondu me betie skate akɔ wondu metie ansa na wabayɛ popular woyɛ comedian na ɛyɛ yɛn ɛne betie wonsɛm abɛka no ɛna bɛma wabayɛ star ɛwɔ Ghana hanom ne sɛ nti sɛ afia akɔ abeto yɛn na yɛte ase a ɔmo ntumi ɛnhwɛ yɛn sa ɔmo dɔ yɛn ɔmo ani agye yɛn ho nti ɔmo ne ɔmo abusuafo nyinaa from their home to yɛn no ɔmo ɛma yɛn Merry Christmas ɔmo ne ɔmo ɛmba ɛna ɔmo abusuafo nyinaa omo Whishing efrisia pa na ye be start efi eye Beverly Afagloso onenemba 2 girls and na omo say when you are the only one in the Christmas mood Merry Christmas onenemba and na when so eye auntie ye na ye sister efia Schwarzenegger ono so onenemba twins no and na ade pena and omo etwa picture omo say let's love lead Merry Christmas fun may the birthday of Christ bring you peace and when so kweku menu and say we wish you all Merry Christmas and thank you for your support that is a Ghana for your support omu yi papa and say afia papa beto yenya omo no omo abusuafo na omo emayen afisha pa when so Miss Bell and say Merry Christmas from us to you to all my Christian fans, followers, friends, and loved ones. Yes, we are not Christians, but Nana Kwame at the Panebano, or just said does not get it. So a mom got to do what a mom got to do. Okay, and I went so your favorite mama. Just say, sister, we're gonna food on ye papa. Hey, your cherish no ankasa. She's very talented, beautiful, just say all round. 6 beyond to be our oyade, ye na yes sister. Nana Ama McBrown, and I just say the Lord has been good to us. And you know, we know so my family is grateful to see today. And now when so Brad John Dumelo, our incoming MP, and I just say Merry Christmas from us to you and yours. And you know, when so trace watching or just a Merry Christmas family from my home to yours. And you know, Ghana celebrities and or more HSA or more Merry Christmas. And you know, so yati the most papa say more the Christmas number to me akaye. I just said me and I'm this video a prayer subscribe to my channel. Now me up on so be a notification video be having a
Adom ai bronya na na eguso ayedum ati ati dem o yesi penti no e de wo to na kato a na wo de ade ahye wo sakakra na metete wo saso mo me ai e friend say playe e to na kato no fie playe mi hu yo ti asa atum sas my wife there's something breaking my house okay so hey. Yeah. So when you bless and sign.
Sanitary pad, baby diaper, soft care, baby diaper, okay. Remember, tasty tom and with tomato mix. Remember, salmon, McBerry biscuit. Remember, salmon, cheesy pizza. Never know. Bring that idea from our Thanks mobile phone. I thanks mobile phone. That's a competition. What I had. Then remember, I says, yeah. A girl so far. It's what I had. Everybody. Yeah, maybe someone man what you be. What about to me? I can't see anything. I was not that way. Yeah, I put them on kind of air and water. Into the way now, but you'll be able to be well. We wish you all Merry Christmas. We love you, we love you, we love you. God bless you all.
A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hey, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. A Merry Christmas and a Happy Merry Christmas, Ishi. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.